What if I told you? One tiny gesture can make a woman feel attraction before you even say a word. No money, no looks, no smooth lines, and almost no man uses it. Most guys think attraction is about talking, saying the right thing, trying to impress. That's already the mistake, because attraction doesn't start in her mind. It starts in her body, milliseconds before logic kicks in. Here's something 90% of men don't know. A woman's nervous system decides if she feels safe or turned off before she even understands why. That's not magic, that's biology. Let me tell you a quick story. I once watched two men approach the same woman. The first guy was confident. On paper, he talked fast, joked nonstop, filled every silence. She smiled, but her body stayed closed. The second guy, he barely spoke. He walked slowly, looked calm, held eye contact for just a second longer. Then silence, and something shifted. She leaned in, her voice softened, her eyes changed. That's the gesture. And it's not one thing. It's three things combined. Miss one, and it doesn't work. Element one, the slow approach. Not creepy slow, not awkward, grounded, deliberate. You're not rushing her nervous system. You're telling her body, I'm in control. And self-control is deeply attractive. Most men move fast because they're nervous. Her body feels that. Fast movement triggers alert mode, fight or flight. Slow movement signals safety. What if I told you? One tiny gesture can make a woman feel attraction before you even say a word. Element two, the firm but soft gaze. This is where men mess up. It's not a stare. It's not avoidance. It's presence. Your eyes say, I'm here, not to take, not to prove, just to be. Here's the controversial truth. The moment you look at her trying to get a reaction, she feels it and she closes, but when you look without needing anything back, her body relaxes. Oxytocin starts releasing. That's the bonding hormone. Element three, secure silence. This is the killer. Most men panic here. Silence hits and they start talking, explaining, joking, overperforming, and the magic dies. But silence handled well is magnetic. It says, I don't need to fill space. I'm comfortable with myself. I'm comfortable with you. That's rare. That's powerful. When you combine all three, slow approach, present gaze, comfortable silence, her parasympathetic nervous system activates. Relaxation, trust, openness. Her defenses drop without her choosing to, and her body gives her away. You'll see the signs. A smile that appears for no clear reason. Longer eye contact, softer eyes. She touches her hair, her neck, her lips, not on purpose. She leans closer, removes barriers, her bag, her arms. Her voice slows down, gets warmer. Her feet point toward you. These are involuntary. You can't fake them. Now listen carefully. This is not a trick. The second you turn it into a technique, it stops working. Women sense manipulation instantly. So how do you make it real? You stop trying to get something. You enjoy the moment, whether it leads anywhere or not. You move like you do at home, relaxed. You look without checking if it's working, and you let silence breathe. Here's the truth nobody says. This gesture doesn't just change how women see you, it changes how you live. Because a man comfortable in presence is dangerous in the best way. So let me ask you, which part do you struggle with the most? Moving slow, holding eye contact, or staying silent without panicking? Drop it in the comments. I read everything.